Let's compare the Swiffer Wetjet versus the Swiffer Duster. So the Swiffer Wetjet is great for cleaning kind of stuck on messes, dirt, and that kind of thing off your floor. And basically there's a pad on this, it has a little pump, and there's cleaning solution that's in this canister on here. And we press the button on the handle, it's going to actually spray some of that cleaning solution out on the floor, and we can go ahead and clean up any kind of dust that's stuck onto the floor there. Essentially, you can see it does a pretty good job of that. So great for cleaning those floors in your house. I use it on wood floors. I use it here on my tile floor in the kitchen. Now the Swiffer Duster is a little bit different. It's actually a handheld device, so I can take this and I can use it to get those higher surfaces. So dusting, bookshelves, dusting even like a ceiling fan, any kind of like higher surface. And it's got this pad that traps and locks in the dust. So both of these are really great. I tend to like to use the duster first on the higher level surfaces, get that dust away. Some of it might fall on the floor. Then I use the Swiffer Wetjet to clean off the floor and also to get any of those spills or sticky kinds of stuff that might end up on the floor. If I track some mud in and that kind of thing, it's fantastic for cleaning that up as well.